In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a note in Google Sheets. If you've ever added a quick reminder to a cell and now want to clean things up, this walkthrough will show you the simplest way to remove that note without affecting your actual data. First, open your web browser and go to Google. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid icon, often called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that to open the menu of Google services. From the list, choose Sheets to head straight into Google Sheets. This takes you to your recent spreadsheets so you can get to work quickly. Next, open the document where the note lives. Once your spreadsheet loads, find the exact cell that contains the note. A helpful visual cue is the small black triangle in the top right corner of a cell. This indicates there's a note attached. Click that cell to bring it into focus. When you select the cell, the note should appear in a small pop-up just beside it, showing the text you previously added. To delete the note, all you need to do is remove the note's text. Click inside the note pop-up so your cursor is active in that box. Then highlight everything in the note. You can drag your mouse over the entire text or use a quick Select All shortcut if you prefer. With the text highlighted, press the Delete or Backspace key. You'll see the note text disappear immediately. After you've cleared the text, click anywhere else on the sheet to close that note pop-up. By clicking away, you're confirming the change. The cell's corner triangle should vanish, which means the note is fully removed. If you still see the triangle, it likely means a stray space or character is left behind in the note box, so just click the cell again, reopen the note area, and make sure it's completely empty before clicking away. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Deleting a note won't change the cell's actual value or formatting. It only removes the attached annotation. Also, notes are different from comments. Notes live directly in the cell as simple annotations, while comments are part of a threaded conversation. If you accidentally clear a note you needed, you can use Undo right away to bring it back. And that's it. You opened Sheets, navigated to your document, selected the cell, cleared the note text, and clicked away to confirm. Your sheet is now tidier and easier to read.